for 100,000 YouTube subscribers. Thank you, Thai Gerald.
Show mom.
Oh, open.
Hey everybody, this is Nick from EJ's Adventures. We're here at Disneyland. We're here to open up the 1000K subscriber silver button. We just want to come here today and celebrate this achievement with all of you guys here at this magical place. So again, we're here to unbox the 1000K subscriber button. Again, thank you guys all the way from Iraq to the Middle East, from Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, India, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, United States, Canada, Mexico, all over Europe, from United Kingdom to France to Germany and beyond. We thank each and every one of you guys for supporting our channel. We continue to make great content for you guys and make you smile. Again, thank you everybody for making this happen. So come on guys, you guys are part of this, so let's go ahead and open up. How do I think?
Daddy?
Yep.
I believe it's open. It's
We're gonna open, right? Yep.
Yes.
It's a little challenging, sorry guys.
Yes. A big one button.
I know, huh?
It's always a button.
Mm-hmm.
This button is so dumb.
We're just gonna tear it open, guys. So again, we're here at this magical moment here. Open up the
Dad? Yes. Button.
Okay guys, here it is.
Seriously, funny? His first instinct was another problem.
What? I feel whoa.
Go ahead and take it out of the plastic, guys. Presented to EJ's Adventures for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Mom, I press button. Mom, I press button. Oh. Which button? This button.
So thank you, everybody.
Tita, bye-bye. It's not working. It's not working.
Say, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Please, thank you subscribe. Thank you guys.